Alright, we had to do a little CAD work here. So we made us a little cardboard template of the diff here. That looks like it fits in there pretty nice. I'll take that over here to our little piece of metal we got. Put it on there and transfer those out. We'll make two of them, put one on each side.
Yeah.
Alright, so when you're welding up your diff, I like to wrap it in aluminum foil to keep the spatter out of your pinion gear. You want to weld all the gears to each other, then you weld all the gears to the cage. Weld the gears of the bird cage here. And then you take your plate, put it in the middle, weld them all together just to be sure it's never coming out of there.
And she went back behind the fucking tree. And then like a few minutes later, a big old owl fucking flew out of there, man.
Just like that. Real nice. Get her. Oh shit! We didn't quite make it. Well, that's how we do it, guys. We ride her hard and we put her away when she's dripping. If shit ain't dripping, you ain't ripping, son. Right, Tony?
Right.
If shit ain't dripping, you ain't ripping.
You ain't.